Welcome. In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your screen lock pattern. So the first thing that you should try to do is try to remember the screen lock that you accessed your device the previous time, and if it doesn't work here, then what you should do is reboot your device into the safe mode, and to do that, hold down the volume up key and the power button together, then select restart and wait until your device turns off. And once you see the REALME logo, start holding down the volume down key. Okay, right now, and keep holding it until your device boots into safe mode. In a safe mode, your device doesn't lag as much, at least, and no third-party application may affect your signing in process. So once you access the safe mode, you will see an indicator like this in the bottom left corner. And right now, let's try to use the screen lock, and if you succeeded, you can go to settings, then go to security and privacy, then select device unlock, screen lock, confirm, and then turn off password and confirm. Okay, and after that, hold down the volume up key and the power button and select restart and wait until your device reboots into the normal mode. And once it reboots into the normal mode, you'll be able to use it again. But if you didn't succeed entering your screen lock password in the safe mode, then what you should do is contact REALME customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely help you resolve your problem without any further without removing any personal data or data from your storage. So I'd like it to be your first decision, but if it doesn't help you, then you have to perform a factory reset operation in order to restore the access and to recover the access. And to do that, you can either use the Find Hub service by Google if you have a Google account connected to your device. Then you simply have to open the Find Hub service, which you can access using any web browser on any device that you own. Then log into the Find Hub service using your Google account credentials, that is basically your email that is connected to this phone. And once you do that, you'll be able to select the REALME device on the list and select factory reset. And once the device is fully reset, you'll be able to set it up once again as a new device. Now, if you don't have Find Hub or Find My Device feature enabled on your phone, maybe you disabled it for some reason, then the only way to perform factory reset in such case would be to access the recovery mode and perform the factory reset through the recovery mode. Now, to do that, you simply have to use a combination of keys to access it, which is pretty simple. But if you have some issues, if you don't know how to do that, if you don't know how to manage the recovery mode, navigate it, etc., then you should check the full video on our channel that explains how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on this REALME phone step by step. And for this video, that will be all. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.